In this video, I want to show you how to browse or access the internet even when your phone is in flight mode. If you look at my phone is in flight mode, and yet I can still access the internet. So if you are in a place where there is no network, how you can still be able to access the internet. In addition, if you are in a conference or in a meeting and you don't want disturbance, you don't want call to disturb you, or you are doing a live session and you don't want interruption to the connections, so you can use this method. You still access the internet while your phone is in flight mode. Just open your Play Store, click on search. Here, search for 4G, 5G only. So when it opens, this very one, first light only, click on it, and it's just about 8.7 MB. So install it. The installation is ongoing. Yes, it's installed. After installation, click on open to launch it. Click next. Click allow. Click allow. Click while using the app. Click on allow. Click next. Accept the usage policy and click get started. Click on allow. Then here, choose this very second option, which is method 2, Android 11 Plus. Click on it. Now, at this point, put your phone in flight mode. Then, scroll down, come to this mobile radio power. This mobile radio power, make sure you enable it. Then after that, you can see that my phone is in flight mode. Then come to these 3 dots. Click on it. Then this very option called disable data connection, click on it to enable it. As a point of note, what this software does is that it captures your information from your mobile network, and it uses your mobile network. The data usage is not free. It's actually use your data. So it is not a free something. It still use your data, but it's just that you are in a flight mode or there is no network where you are and you are using it. We can now go and start browsing now. So let me open my browser here. So here, let me search for something. For example, let me say, what is GIS? And click on go. You can see that it's working. I can access the internet even though I'm in flight mode. You can see my phone is flight mode. As I said earlier on, it's still using your data, but just that you are in flight mode. So this is how to access the internet in flight mode or where there is no network. Thank you for watching.